Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into modern beauty trends and makeup styles. The beauty world is always evolving. So, let's explore popular trends. First, the clean girl, aesthetic fresh, glowing skin with minimal makeup. Think dewy skin, tinted moisturizer, concealer, mascara, and lip balm. The key is simplicity. It's about looking polished without being overdone. This is popular because it's easy and promotes a radiant appearance. Next, glazed donut skin. Inspired by Hailey Bieber. This trend is about a super hydrated, luminous complexion. It involves hydrating serums, moisturizers, and oils. The makeup then complements this base, with highlighters and glossy finishes. This is about healthy, plump, and radiant skin. Moving to eye makeup, we see graphic eyeliner. Try bold shapes or colorful designs. Graphic eyeliner allows for creativity. Also, bold brows are still in. Well-groomed eyebrows are essential for framing the face. Now, lip trends. We're seeing the 90s brown lip, paired with lip liner. Gloss is back too. From sheer to pigmented, glossy lips add shine. Regarding color palettes, soft, romantic looks are popular. Peaches, pinks, and warm neutrals. They're versatile. We also see colorful eye makeup. Experimenting with shades is a great way to express yourself. Techniques blending is key. The goal is a seamless effect. Good blending prevents harsh lines. Sustainability and inclusivity are important. Brands are focusing on eco-friendly packaging, cruelty-free products, and diverse shade ranges. Those are the most exciting trends. There's always something new to learn. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty content. Thanks for watching.